The view at Highland Park feels like one of Durham's hidden gems, a place where you can enjoy scenic surroundings, larger lots, and a more tranquil settings without giving up easy access to everything the city has to offer. Thanks to its elevated settings, many home sites here enjoy beautiful views overlooking parts of downtown Durham and so pretty to look at right and a rare feature that hard to find this close to the city. It's indeed a hidden gem. What I love about this community is that it offers the best of both worlds. You get the convenience of being just minutes from downtown Durham, Duke University, Duke Hospitals, and RTP. Yet, when you're here, it feels so peaceful and tucked away. The community is surrounded by mature trees, rolling terrain, and larger home sites. That that really provides a sense of privacy and space that's becoming increasingly difficult to find in newer neighborhoods. So I can't wait to show you and take a look at this beautiful home and see what makes it so special. Also, there's an amazing incentive that this community offers, so watch out for that. Okay. Hey everyone, this is Anjanette, your local realtor here in the Triangle area of North Carolina. And if you've been thinking about moving to North Carolina or just curious about what it is like to live here, you're in the right place. On this channel, I tour homes, explore communities, and share what life is really like here in places like Cary, Apex, Durham, and Raleigh. If you enjoy this type of content, I'd love for you to subscribe, to like, and follow along. And whenever you're ready in 9 days, 9 months, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. So why don't we let's head inside and see what makes this home so special. Welcome to The View by Highland Park. And today we're going to show you this beautiful floor plan, which is the Watauga European. It's about 2,700 square feet home, 4 bedroom and 2.5 bath, and 2 car garage. And the builder here is McKee Homes. And this home is the home of the week. So why don't we take a tour inside the house? As you can see, one unique feature of this home is that it sits in at least zero point 0.4 acre lot, and you will see the beautiful space and the large home sites available here. So as you enter this beautiful, bright um, home here, as you can see, there's a nice window here that lets the sunshine in, and this is their foyer. And right now, this is there on this right side. This will be your office space, and it's a pretty good size. All right, or you can convert it as your, um, formal dining or whatever you want it to be. And here's the half bath towards the right side here, with a beautiful, bright, large window. This is the half bath, or they call it the powder room. And then here is your coat closet. Okay. And then on this other side is a nice deep storage or utility closet. Okay. So plenty of storage space here. And then as you walked in here to your living area, look at this. This is the space. Okay. And it has this beautiful fireplace right here, and then a shiplap design as an accent wall. Very nice feature. And I like the, the size of that ceiling fan. You see that? It's awesome. And here it welcomes you to this wow, this gourmet kitchen right here. Can you see the size of this quartz countertop? It's huge. You see that? Wow, you can easily fit like how many stools here? Like probably six, right? So nice. Look at this area here. Look at this nice stainless steel um, sink right here. And your counter space right here, it's so spacious. And I'm so impressed with the size of this center island. I love all the light fixture and all the white cabinets and the accent backsplash right here. Awesome, gorgeous. And then more counter space here and cabinets on this side. And then your refrigerator right here. And here, as we walked in here, I love this wood shelvings here for your walk-in pantry. This is a lot more sturdier. I like this one rather than the wiring that you get. This one is a nice sturdy shelves here. And then over here are more of your coat closet. And this door leads to your two-car garage right there. Awesome. So one thing I like about, like I said, one thing I like about this property is that every home here sits at least in a point 4 to point acre lot size. So, which is very rare for new homes being built right now, where they're all kind of closely tight to each other. But here, for more added space for you, is your covered porch. You can actually screen this like other neighbors here. I can see that they screen their porch, which you can easily do. And look at the size of this porch right here. It's very, very big. And I want to feature because this one sits in a point 0.4 acre lot. Look at the view from here. That's why it's called the view at Highland Park, because every home is uniquely in a in a elevated home sites, and you are kind of like in a slope and a beautiful view of of your surroundings. Look at those mature trees in the back, and look at the space of your backyard. You have plenty of space here. And this is one good thing about this property here, is that homes are not very tight, you know, close to each other. Here you have room to breathe, a little bit more privacy, and the space that this home offers, it's a lot better. So yeah, why don't we take a look? Did you take a video? Okay, yeah, the view. Yeah, that's why it's the view. So as you walked in here, let's go to the second floor and look at the bedrooms. So So this home offers a 4 bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms. And like I said, as you walk up here, right away, you will be greeted by your loft, media room, study room, or gathering room, anything that you can convert this, or a game room for families. And then towards here, we have bedroom number 1, which is right here, very good size, and it has this walk-in closet, kind of wide and spacious. It's pretty big. It's good size walk-in closet. It goes all the way to that wall to you make use of all the space. Bedroom number 2 over here. Well, I can see that this bedroom is a little bit more bigger than the other one. See, because you can put your bed here, and then you have this big, huge space for maybe your study, or anything you want to convert this area, which is nice. And then here is your closet space right there. You can put dresser here, seating arrangement, your study table there. That would be there's plenty of space over there. And this is the full bathroom right here. Two vanity sinks, which is really good, convenient. And your full bathroom with windows. So that's awesome. And as we walked here, this will be your third bedroom. And towards here, you have more closet space for linens, towels, and look at this. This is a little bit bigger also. You can put your bed here, two side tables. And then I like this area here where you have more area here where you can put maybe your sitting arrangement here or study. And then you can put a dresser here. And what I like about this bedroom, it has its own walk-in closet here. For those of you, if you have a daughter or son that needs more closet space, this is perfect. And one good thing about this, it has a window that, I always like about when you have a closet. Windows is always good. And are you ready to look at the primary bedroom? But this is a very nice uh, washer and dryer or room because I like this kind of a sink, isn't it? It's really nice. I like this sink where you can use this sink, and it has more storage here and then cabinets as well. So I like this added feature. So this is something you might want to consider when you're going to build this type of floor plan. So this floor plan is really very convenient there's a lot of good pluses here. And wow, look at this primary suite, guys. It's so big. From here, you can easily fit like a large bed here, like your king size bed, and then plenty of windows. And look at this. This is what is gorgeous about the home sites here is they will always have a scenic view of mature pine trees or trees in the back of your home, and that offers all this space. So beautiful. So the view, the place, it's the view at Highland Park. They always showcase a gorgeous view, which is so rare nowadays in a community. And here's your water closet right here. And then let's see. And your two vanity sinks in the primary suite. And look, are there more storage here for your closet, for towels, and this is your step-in shower. Okay? Very nice for people with bad knees. Sometimes the step-in shower is very convenient. And here is your huge walk-in closet. Wow. Very nice. It's very spacious. And you're probably wondering, let's go towards you at the back. What is the price range of this home? It is actually priced at 649 with a point 0.4 acre lot in a nice community. And this one is so convenient to the RTP and Durham areas. So I'll have more information about this community on the next video. We're just having fun here right now because you know what's going to happen today? We're going to give you all the good incentives that Molly Williams here, she's from the View community here by McKee Homes, and they are offering awesome incentives right now. So let's hear it from Molly.
Thank you so much. It's so wonderful to have you here today. And currently, on both our move-in ready homes and our pre-sale homes, we have a very rare incentive of $20,000. So did you hear that?
Yeah.
You can do that for a pre-sale, which is so rare. You can actually choose your home site, pick your floor plan, and get $20,000 with our preferred lender. And of course, our move-in ready homes, we oftentimes have something to offer the buyer. So
Awesome.
But that's a big deal. Do you ever hear about a pre-sale having an incentive? It's
I know.
so rare.
That is so rare. That's why if you want to take advantage of that, please feel free to call us or visit the view here. And, our information will be down below the description of this video. And call us right away because this is the incentive as of today. And we are not sure, how long it's going to be.
That's right.
All right. Call us.
Thank you.
So this place is located minutes from downtown Durham, Duke University, Duke Hospital, RTP, shopping and dining and parks, and also RTP areas. And this home offers the perfect combination of convenience and tranquility. So at the view, home sites is up to, larger half acre, and few of them are in the 0.8-acre lot size. So this is a great place where you can feel tranquility and, the surrounding is very spread apart. So if this is that type of dream home, that you are thinking about, why don't you call me, reach out to me, text me, send me an email. I love to hear what you're looking for, and I want to help you through the process. And just remember, I help a lot of buyers locally and also those relocating from out of state. So I look forward to hearing from you.
Keep it on repeat. Tested by the potion. Loving this devotion.